Stop losing time, money, and clients without this tool. This is my 8-part video series, and this is video number 3, and it starts inside Frame.io. As creatives, we're blazing our own trail and living out our dream. Let's celebrate that and keep building on it. Systems need to be efficient, consistent, clear, and simple. That's how we get to do more of what we love. And who doesn't love creating? I started using Frame.io when it was first released years ago, using it for feedback on our videos that we supplied to clients. But today, the platform has elevated from a creative workflow to a business-critical tool. And here's why. Because today, any file type you can imagine can be uploaded to Frame.io. Frame.io supports a variety of file types, including video files, image files, audio files, documents to subtitles, to decks and presentations. These formats allow for seamless collaboration, extending far beyond just video. There are countless ways to use Frame.io. Everything and anyone can come together and create seamlessly. Communication. Frame.io is now a communication platform for the everyday. That drives business growth and shifting from good to great. Projects stay organized across every device found in a single place. I encourage you to get creative and use the platform in innovative ways that serve your vision even further, giving you the flexibility to work from anywhere. This is how we sort everything at one of our businesses. It's a strategy, assets, files. All of it can be found here. Frame.io aligns it and sorts everything so seamlessly, making it perfect for business creatives. You can download this template below. Frame.io's experience is equal parts clear as it is creative. The platform we use should be as creative and professional as its users, and Frame.io absolutely nails that. From large display images to clearly labeled files with meta tags, professional branded shares, easily shareable links, one click, copy to your clipboard, ready to send off. Easy downloads, one click, downloaded. One window and all of the information is displayed. Let's use videos as an example. You got your video draft type, you can play the video and view the comments in a single window. One glance with all the information. Of course, you can do this with images and other documents as well. Images, check it here. PDF, check it there. Audio, check it here, check it there. Anchored comments show exactly what needs to be addressed. There is zero guesswork in communication. This eliminates meetings that don't need to happen, follow-ups that don't need to happen, time, energy, and hours that can all be used productively. These tips have helped me stay sharp, gain more clients, secure bigger projects, and avoid resenting the process. And I believe that they can do the same for you. Let me know if you want to see even more tips like these by commenting below. We would love to hear from you. Here's me. This is what we're creating. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, later. Yeah.